Hey everyone, and welcome back. On this week's episode, I take you with me as we go on a walking tour of El Tunco, which is El Salvador's bohemian surf city about 30 minutes away from San Salvador. In this short tour, we walk around and take a look at all of the beautiful colors and textures of the buildings, soak up the culture of this space, and check out other cool shops and marketplaces along the way. El Tunco didn't always look like this, and it has certainly developed over the last few years. It is now one of the most visited towns of El Salvador by backpackers and surfers. There are now around 20 hostels, bars, restaurants, and everything you need to practice surfing. We are now headed to Tunco Beach, which is known for a famous rock shaped as a pig that you'll find at the seashore. Playa El Tunco is famous for its surfing, and people come from all over the world to ride the Tunco surf. At the west end of the beach is a rocky right-hand point break called Sunsal, and in the east there's Bocana, a stronger left side. And between Sunsal and Bocana are two beach breaks that are perfect for beginners.